Hello, my phonics superheroes, and welcome to day 6 of my Phonics Boost. Well done for coming this far. Hopefully you're already seeing an improvement in those phonics skills, and hopefully your confidence is having that boost that it needs. But don't worry if you've not seen that yet. That's why we're here, to learn and improve those skills. So let's get our phonics brain switched on, our superhero listening ears turned on, and let's get started. So for the next 5 days, we have got some new sounds that we're going to be exploring. We've got p, g, I, and o. But obviously, I need to hear you joining in as well. So this time I'm going to say it, then it's going to be your turn, then I think you can have a go by yourself. P, g, I, o. Excellent. Now it's going to be your turn. So, are we ready? Excellent. Do you think we can do it faster? I think we can. Are we ready? Or do you think we can do it even faster? I think you can, my phonics superheroes. Are we ready? Amazing. Well done, you. But of course, we're not going to be forgetting our sounds from the last 5 days. So let's go over these. You can do them by yourself. Are we ready? Excellent. Do you think we can do them a bit faster? I think you can. Amazing. Well done. I think what we can do, put them together. Are we ready? Let's go. Amazing. Well done. That was brilliant. So today we're focusing on the N sound. Now the N sound is a long sound. N, N, N. Let's practice saying it. N, N, N. Excellent. And now we've had a little practice of saying the sound. Let's find some objects that start with the N sound. Right, phonics superheroes, in my magic box, I've got some objects that start with the N sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort them out. Are we ready? Oh no, it's happened again. I think we need our phonics magic. Can you remember our spell? Excellent. It's hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's say it together. Hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's see if it's worked. Phew, it has. Right, let's see what we've got. Necklace. Yes. Pig. No. Nurse. Yes. Orange. No. Do we know what this is? It's a nail. Yes, nail starts with the N sound. Right, now you've helped me to sort them out. I'm going to put them all back in and I'm going to go a bit quicker. And I want to hear a yes if they do start with the N sound, or no if they don't. Are you ready? Off we go. Excellent, well done. You did that really fast. Now it's time to work on our superhero listening and practice our oral blending. Right, my phonics superheroes, let's get those listening skills in action. I'm going to sound out each word one time and you're going to blend it. Are we ready? N, o, d. Nod. N, a, p. Nap. N, e, t. Net. Excellent. Now let's practice our reading skills. So, for our new N words, I'm going to sound them out first, then it's going to be your turn. Are we ready? N, o, d. Nod. Your turn. Nod. Excellent. My turn. N, a, p. Nap. Your turn. Nap. My turn. N, e, t. Net. Your turn. Net. Excellent. Right, we're going to do them again, but it's just you this time. Are we ready? Want to hear you. Nod. Nap. Net. Excellent. Now I think my phonics superheroes are up for a challenge, and today's challenge word is nutmeg. Now nutmeg is a spice that you might use when you're cooking, especially if you're cooking gingerbread. My turn first. N, a, t, m, e, g. Nutmeg. Your turn. Nutmeg. Excellent. Your turn again. Nutmeg. Well done. How long that word is that you just read. Well done you. Right, now we're going to rewind and look at some words that we've been looking at over the last couple of days. Just you on these ones. 10. Tap. Excellent. Now this word, I'm going to see if you can just say it. Are you ready? Dad. Well done. I want to hear you sounding it out. Dad. Excellent. Now time for our tricky words. Now, our new tricky word today is no. My turn first. No. 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 Excellent. And because we've already done 5 tricky words, I think we're going to go through all of them. Let's see which ones you can remember. Could you remember them all? Don't worry if you couldn't. Right, I'm going to say them as well this time. Is, a, I, to, the. Excellent. That was amazing. Well done. We are nearly at the end of day 6. Well done you for coming this far. We're going to go over our focus sounds again and then we're going to play a little game. My turn first. N, p, g, I, o. Now it's going to be your turn. Excellent. Do you think you can do it faster? I think you can. Oh, that was super quick. Right, now I'm going to take away one of the sounds. I want you to go through them. I want to hear you, and then I want you to tell me what sound is missing. What sound was missing? Excellent. G. Right, let's see, which sound am I going to take away this time? Are we ready? Right. Want to hear you? Which one was missing? P. Well done. Right, what sound am I going to take this time? Are we ready? Which one was missing? Oh, excellent. And you've done it. We're at the end of day 6. Well done. Just think of all those words you've learned today. You really have been a phonics superstar. Let's give ourselves a great big pat on the back. 1, 2, 3. Well done, me. Keep up the hard work, and I can't wait to see you for day 7.